Understanding the classification of the Himalayan mountain ranges is essential for grasping their formation and geographical significance. The primary divisions include the Trans-Himalayas, Greater Himalayas, and Lesser Himalayas. Among these ranges, the Karakoram range stands out, housing K2, the world's second highest peak. This region's glaciers are critical for the hydrology of northern India. Transitioning to the Pir Panjal range, it significantly influences Kashmir's ecosystem while showcasing breathtaking scenery. This range also contains key passes that link various regions. Meanwhile, the Western Ghats are renowned for their rich biodiversity, hosting numerous endemic species and playing a crucial role in regional rainfall patterns. Their preservation is vital for ecological balance in India. Conversely, the Eastern Ghats, though less prominent, provide essential support for agriculture and local livelihoods, fostering the growth of crops like groundnuts and jowar. They also encompass important cultural and religious sites. Additionally, the Nilgiri Rai Hills, part of the Western Ghats, are celebrated for their tea plantations and unique wildlife, notably the tahr. They significantly contribute to the tourism industry. Exploring further, the August Malai Hills, also part of the Western Ghats, boast rich biodiversity with over 2,000 plant species and a rich cultural history, often referred to as the Agasthy Malai Hills. Historically, passes such as Kabar and Zojila have facilitated trade and military movements, shaping India's geopolitical landscape. These connections prove vital in numerous historical contexts. The video emphasizes major mountain passes across India, particularly in Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. These routes are crucial for facilitating transportation and trade, linking remote areas. Dipu Pass, located on the McMahon Line, is essential for connecting India's northeast region to Tibet, highlighting the geographical relationship between India and China. In Rajasthan, the Haldi Gati Pass holds historical significance due to the famed Battle of Haldi Gati in 1576, marking a critical moment in the conflict between Maharana Pratap and Mughal Emperor Akbar. Moreover, Borgad in Maharashtra, an ancient trade route, was instrumental in the Maratha Empire's interactions with the British, demonstrating the historical significance of passes in trade and military strategy. Turning to rivers, the Ganga River system is the largest in India, spanning 2,525 kilometers across 5 states. It plays a vital role in the ecological and cultural dynamics of the region. Tributaries like the Bhagirathi and Alaknanda significantly enhance the Ganga's flow, contributing to its journey toward the plains. The Ganga is not only vital for its water resources but also holds deep spiritual significance in Hinduism. Sacred sites along its banks attract both pilgrims and tourists, enriching the cultural landscape. On the other hand, the Brahmaputra River's catchment area spans multiple countries, including India and Bangladesh, supporting diverse civilizations and providing essential resources for agriculture and transportation. Originating from the Himalayas, the Brahmaputra is known as one of the highest rivers globally, with its source linked to several glaciers including the Kubi and Angasai glaciers. Throughout its journey, the Brahmaputra is known by various names, including Tsongpa in Tibet and Shang in Arunachal Pradesh, reflecting its cultural significance across different regions. Meanwhile, the Indus River begins near Mount Kailash in the Tibetan region and flows into the Arabian Sea, covering a vast distance of 2,880 kilometers. This journey includes traversing both India and Pakistan. The Indus River system is crucial for both countries, leading to the Indus Water Treaty of 1960, which regulates water usage rights, thus effectively managing shared water resources. The basin of the Indus River supports agriculture, being referred to as the breadbasket of Pakistan. Its tributaries, such as Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Sutlej, enhance the agricultural landscape. Shifting focus to the Yamuna River, it can be divided into segments, including the upper and Delhi sections. Each segment possesses distinct characteristics, serving various functions like irrigation. The Yamuna is essential for drinking water and agricultural irrigation in Delhi and its surrounding areas. Its waters are diverted for numerous domestic and industrial purposes. Moreover, the tributaries of the Yamuna contribute significantly to its ecosystem, with notable rivers like the Tons, Giri, and Hindon feeding into it. The Koyna River, a major tributary, originates in the Satara district and plays a crucial role in the Koyna hydroelectric project, significantly impacting local energy supplies. Similarly, the Yarla River, originating from the Moscow Ba Hill, joins the Krishna River, further enhancing its water flow and ecological relevance in the region. The Bhima River, recognized as the largest tributary of the Krishna, flows through Maharashtra and Karnataka, playing an essential role in the river's overall drainage system. Rajmundry city, positioned along the banks of the Godavari, is the largest city in the Bay of Bengal region, and its proximity to the river adds to its economic significance. The Godavari Delta is celebrated as India's second-largest mangrove forest, fostering diverse wildlife and ecosystems, which are crucial for the region's ecological balance. This river system not only addresses irrigation and drinking water needs but also supports local fisheries, creating an essential interaction between the river and local economies. The Pamba River, alongside others like the Malaya River, traverses diverse landscapes, playing a key role in maintaining the ecological balance of the regions it flows through. In Tamil Nadu, the Vaigai River is vital for irrigation, significantly supporting agriculture in several districts and highlighting its economic significance. Furthermore, tributaries such as the Varanadi and the Pennar River augment the water supply and drainage systems, impacting both local ecosystems and human settlements. The Ganga River flows through 28 districts, including prominent areas like Muzaffarnagar, Meerut, and Varanasi, underscoring its geographical importance and cultural richness. Tributaries such as the Ghaghara, Son, and Kosi join the Ganga, enhancing its water flow and fostering a diverse ecosystem. These tributaries originate from various mountain ranges, enriching the Ganga's pathway. In West Bengal, the Ganga splits into the Padma and Hooghly rivers, impacting local livelihoods and the regional economy. This bifurcation is crucial for the formation of the delta. The completion of the first rail bridge over the Brahmaputra at Sarai Ghat in 1962 marked a significant advancement in transportation infrastructure within the region. The river's drainage area extends across multiple Indian states, highlighting its extensive geographical influence alongside the critical nature of water management in these regions. As the Brahmaputra flows toward Bangladesh, it transforms into the Yamuna before joining the Ganga River, illustrating its complex network of tributaries and rivers. The Ganga River system traverses 5 Indian states, showcasing its vast geographical reach and cultural significance.
It flows through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal.
Additionally, the video highlights the Ganga's relevance in UPSC examinations, particularly within the geography section, underlining the importance of understanding this river for aspiring civil servants. As the Ganga exits the mountainous regions and enters the plains, it undergoes significant transformations, illustrating the environmental changes encountered throughout its journey. The Indus River emerges from the Kailash mountain and navigates through diverse terrains, proving critical for both South and Central Asia. Its journey stretches approximately 2,880 kilometers. The Indus River system is vital for agriculture and irrigation in Pakistan, leading to disputes over water rights. The Indus Water Treaty was established to manage these crucial resources. The river has been mentioned in ancient texts, emphasizing its significance in the history and culture of the region. It features in the Rigveda, linking it to India's ancient civilization. The Indus originates from the Kubi Glacier near Mansarovar Lake and flows through various regions, profoundly influencing the geography of its surroundings. The Brahmaputra fosters diverse ecosystems and serves as a lifeline for many communities, offering resources and facilitating trade. Its banks are home to rich cultures and historical landmarks. As the river progresses, it collects water from numerous tributaries, including the Lohit and Dibong rivers, augmenting its volume and flow. These tributaries originate from the adjacent Himalayan region. Stretching 916 kilometers, the Brahmaputra winds through various Indian states before merging with the Bay of Bengal, accentuating its ecological and geographical relevance. The river plays a significant role in the economy of the areas it traverses, facilitating transportation and trade through its waterways, thus enhancing connectivity between states and nations. Finally, the Brahmaputra carries substantial cultural and religious importance, referenced in numerous historical texts and local traditions, supporting diverse communities along its banks. In Telangana, the Godavari River's drainage area significantly influences local ecosystems and agriculture, highlighting the state's importance in India's river management. Covering approximately 8,948 square kilometers, the Krishna River Basin accounts for nearly 8% of India's total geographical area, affecting countless communities and their resources. Major tributaries such as the Bhima and Tungabhadra flow into the Krishna River, enhancing its water flow and ecological diversity. These tributaries are crucial for irrigation and support local wildlife.